Okay, here we go. Letting the chickens loose. Them young roosters chase those old hens all over the place. They won't hardly come out of the chicken house now. They want to stay on the roost. Like I say, I've been saying this for the past couple of weeks. I'm going to have to call some of these young roosters. There's just too many of them. Too many of them. Oh no, there they go. They're going to the duck pen. Black ones and the red ones. Here. Why don't you get out? Get you something to eat. And you two also. Them's the only ones lay eggs. They ain't been laying no eggs because these dang roosters chase them everywhere. Young rooster just attacked my little white hen again, like 6 or 7 of them. Had to kick them off of her. I need to just get down to like 3 roosters and stay there. It's hard to tell which 3 I want to keep though. I like that one. The gray one there. I like that white one there. I don't know about the other one. Had to put feed in the chicken house, shut the door to keep these so the old hens could eat, because the young roosters won't stop by them. Ducks must eat most their food because here comes the red and black chickens back. Radishes is coming up over there. Got the peas coming up pretty good right here. And if I can get my camera to turn, here's the green beans. I've already put stakes out for them. I think I got about 5 or 6 tomatoes ready to be picked. A couple little tiny bell peppers. I don't know if they're going to go or not. I got a couple in the greenhouse big enough. Looks like I've got 1 cucumber big enough to pick here now. Ain't too bad. It's the only one I've seen that was big enough. The rest of them just small cucumbers, but that's about the perfect size there. This little plant's refusing to give up for anything. It's got blooms all over it yet. There's another halfway decent sized cucumber right there. Got 5 tomatoes and 1 cucumber.